The Rioned Cityjet is the #1 choice for sewer cleaning professionals who want a powerful jetting machine that gets even the toughest jobs done 24 hours per day, 7 days a week. It effectively cleans drains and sewers up to 450 millimeters in diameter and sets the standard for user-friendliness, performance and reliability. It is designed to work effectively in all conditions. Its lightweight and compact design maximizes space and carry capacity in your vehicle. The system can be built into most commercial vehicles weighing 3.5 tons and up, like the Volkswagen Transporter or Crafter, Mercedes-Benz Vito or Sprinter, Ford Transit or Vauxhall Movano. It is fitted with 2 separate 300-litre water tanks to maximize driving comfort when traveling with water on board. This capacity can be easily increased by adding additional tanks. The tanks are filled through the integrated filling reel, which has 50 meters of 3/4 inch hose. The Cityjet can be used in restricted areas thanks to its 180-degree pivoting hose reel and electric locking mechanism that quickly ensures the user is in the best working position. The hydraulically driven hose reel has a mechanical run-free function that allows you to manually unwind the hose without any resistance. The easy-to-operate electronic control box allows you to control the machine with just one jog wheel. LEDs surrounding the display illuminate to inform the user of machine status and provide clear warning messages if there is an error. It also tells you exactly when your machine is due for maintenance. The covers protect the user from rotating parts and noise. They can be easily removed for machine servicing. The clear water filter is easily accessible for cleaning. The Cityjet is available in various configurations, with pressures of up to 375 bar and up to 100 liters of flow per minute to handle any problems you may face. The machines are designed to reduce pressure loss during operation. In fact, our patented lightweight sewer jetting hose has a large inner diameter to guarantee 15% less pressure loss. All machines are rigorously tested at our modern testing facility prior to sign-off. Your efficiency can be enhanced with a wide range of options. A radio remote control is available with the Cityjet for true single-man operation. The unique and integrated warm water system heats water up to 55 degrees Celsius to remove fat, oil, soap, calcium and grease up to 5 times more effectively than cold water, and therefore reducing your jetting time and the amount of water used. The optional pulsator system helps you to clear the most stubborn of blockages quickly, using less water by creating pulses of water through the hose. A large selection of nozzles and accessories are available for different applications. Cityjet, the world's #1 choice for sewer cleaning professionals. Thousands of users rely on Cityjet day in, day out. Rioned, keeping your business flowing.